This is the screen protector. It's a four-way privacy screen, and it is you can put it on your laptop, the 14-inch display, or you can just select the model and what color you have, what version it is. You can pick up one of these on Amazon or on the TikTok shop. This is the screen protector for a MacBook. Depends on the version size.